Hello, welcome students. I am Rekha Thorat, Associate Professor. Today, I am going to discuss with you system of linear non-homogeneous equations. Consider the system of equations. a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a13x3 plus dash 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 plus a1 n xn equal to b1. Second equation is a21x1 plus a22x2 plus a23x3 plus dash 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 plus up to a2n xn equal to b2. And the last equation is am1x1 plus am2x2 plus am3x3 plus up to amn xn equal to bm. Denote the system of these non-homogeneous linear equations by equation 1, where a11, a12, amn and b1, b2 up to bm are constants. The system of equations is called M linear non-homogeneous equations in n unknowns x1, x2 up to xn. That is, this system of equations are non-homogeneous equations since RHS side is not equal to 0, b1, b2, bm are constants and unknowns are x1, x2, xn. This system of equations 1 can be represented by the matrix equation x equal to b. That is, the coefficient matrix is A, matrix of unknowns is X, and the B is the matrix of constants, where A equal to this square matrix of order m by n and X is the matrix of unknowns x1, x2, xn, and B equal to column matrix b1, b2 up to bm. A is called the coefficient matrix of the given system. The matrix X is called the matrix of unknowns, and the matrix B is called the matrix of constants. Now we see the working rule for solving the system of non-linear homogeneous equations X equal to B. Reduce the augmented matrix AB to row reduced echelon form and find the rank of the coefficient matrix A and the augmented matrix AB. That means you have to convert augmented matrix into row reduced echelon form. That means the leading element must be 1 and below the leading element you have to made 0 0 in that column, and number of zeros must be increasing and the 0 row must be in the last position in the given matrix. That means you have to convert given augmented matrix into row reduced echelon form. Second condition is, if a row of A is not equal to row of AB, that means the rank of A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix, then the system is inconsistent and hence it has no solution. That means if rank of given matrix A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix, then the system is inconsistent and hence it has no solution. Third condition is, if row of A equal to row of AB, then the system is consistent. That means if rank of matrix A is equal to rank of augmented matrix, then the system is consistent, means the system has its solution. Then write the equivalent system using echelon form of matrix AB, which is obtained in step 1, and then solve it. That means using echelon form of augmented matrix, we have to find the rank and then solve it. Remarks. First remark is, if row of A equal to row of AB, then the system is inconsistent. That means if rank of given matrix A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix, then the system is inconsistent, that is system does not have any solution. Second remark is, if row of A equal to row of AB, that means if rank of A equal to rank of augmented matrix, then there are two conditions. First condition is, if row of A equal to row of AB equal to R equal to N, that is, if rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to R equal to N means number of unknowns, then the system has a unique solution. That means if R equal to N, that means the rank equal to number of unknowns, then the system has unique solution. Second condition is, if row of A equal to row of AB equal to R less than N, the number of unknowns, then the system possesses an infinite number of solutions. That means if rank of given matrix equal to rank of augmented matrix equal to R is less than number of unknowns, then the system will possess infinite number of solutions. Now we consider some examples. Solve this example. X minus 3y minus 8z plus 10 equal to 0, 3x plus y minus 4z equal to 0, 2x plus 5y plus 6z minus 13 equal to 0. To solve these examples, first we take constants on the right hand side so that given equations can be written in the form x minus 3y minus 8z equal to minus 10, 3x plus y minus 4z equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y plus 6z equal to 13. These equations are non-homogeneous linear equations since RHS side is not equal to 0. We denote this system of equations by equation 1. Then the given system can be written in matrix form Ax equal to B. That is, A is coefficient matrix 1 minus 3 minus 8, 3, 1 minus 4, 2, 5, 6. X is column matrix XYZ equal to B is matrix of constant, that is minus 10, 0, 13. It is a column matrix. That means A is coefficient matrix, X is matrix of unknowns, B is matrix of constants. The augmented matrix is matrix A colon B equal to square matrix 1 minus 3 minus 8 colon minus 10, 3, 1 minus 4, 0, 2, 5, 6 colon 13. That means here in augmented matrix, A is the coefficient matrix and B, that means the constant on RHS side, are taken as a column minus 10, 0, 13. We shall reduce this augmented matrix AB to echelon form by applying elementary row transformations only. Here leading element is 1. Now we have to make 0, 0 at 821 and 831 positions, and this is possible by transformations R2 minus 3R1 and R3 minus 2R1. So we get augmented matrix AB is equivalent to matrix 1 minus 3 minus 8 colon minus 10, 0, 10, 20 colon 30, 0, 11, 22 colon 33. Now we made some transformations. 1 by 10 R2 and 1 by 11 R3. we get augmented matrix AB is equivalent to matrix 1 minus 3 minus 8 colon minus 10 0 1 2 colon 3 0 1 2 colon 3. Now we made transformations at 832 and 833 positions, that is R3 minus R2. By these transformations, R3 minus R2 above augmented matrix is equivalent to matrix 1 minus 3 minus 8 colon minus 10 0 1 2 colon 3 0 0 0 colon 0. Here in this augmented matrix AB, leading element is 1. Below the leading entry there are zeros. Number of zeros are increasing in order, and the row in which zeros are all elements are zeros is lying in last position. That means this augmented matrix AB is in row reduced echelon form. We denote it by equation 2. Here we observe that rank of this augmented matrix is 2 and rank of matrix A is also 2. Why this rank is 2? Since there are number of non-zero rows are 2. Hence rank of this matrix A is 2, rank of augmented matrix is 2. Thus row of A equal to row of AB equal to 2 is less than the number of unknowns equal to 3. Here number of unknowns are 3, x, y, z, and rank is 2. 2 is less than 3. Hence the given system of equations are consistent and will have an infinite number of solutions. That means if R is less than n, there are infinite solutions. Now the system of equations is equivalent to the matrix equation x minus 3y minus 8z equal to minus 10, y plus 2z equal to 3. These equations are taken from the equation 2. Now, since the rank is 2, number of unknowns are 3, there are number of independent solutions n minus r equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1. That means we have to give arbitrary value to only one variable. Let z equal to k. Hence, from the above equations, we get x equal to minus 1 plus 2k, y equal to 3 minus 2k, z equal to k. Hence, the solution is given by x equal to minus 1 plus 2k, y equal to 3 minus 2k, z equal to k, where k is arbitrary constant. Thank you.